Hello, in this video I'll show you how to add Matic on MetaMask. Now it's a very easy process. So what you have to do is just simply open your browser, then go to your MetaMask. Then after that just simply go to the network section and click on add network. Now right over here you will have few options that you can use. The first option is the network that you're looking for. If it's available right over here in this list, just simply click on add and the network will be added automatically. Now the second step, if it's not available, click on add a network manually and then enter the details of the network manually. There is a better option that you can use in this case. So what you have to do is just simply open a website called chain list and then click on the first option right over here. Over here, firstly, connect your wallet. So after that, just simply choose MetaMask and your wallet will be connected. After that, just simply search for the network that you're looking for, and just like that, you will have the network right over there. As you can see, just simply click on add to MetaMask. Then a pop-up will appear right over here. And after that, scroll down and click on approve. Then just simply click on switch network and then the network will be added to your MetaMask. You can click on this option to check it if you want to. So after that, click on got it. And as you can see, the Polygon network have been added. You can also do this manually over here too. So first reload the page. And right over here, you will have Polygon mainnet. Just simply click on add and it will be added. Now at this moment, it's not showing because I've already added that. But all you have to do is just click on add and it will be added. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.